Hey Cougs, I hope you all had a great weekend. It's your host Maddie, back to share updates for events happening on campus this week. There's a lot to cover, so let's jump right in. Registration for Lavender graduation opens on Monday. Join LGBTQI+ graduating students, alumni, and distinguished as the LGBTQ Resource Center recognizes your accomplishments and unique experiences. For more info, contact the LGBTQ Resource Center. Join CAPS to learn the skills needed to prevent suicide and help create a community of care at UH on Monday from noon to 1 p.m. QPR, which stands for Question, Persuade, Refer, is a nationally recognized suicide prevention program designed to educate persons to recognize and respond to the signs of suicide thinking and behavior. Once trained, these persons act as gatekeepers for the campus community, informed and ready to intervene on behalf of individuals considering suicide. Check the link in the description for sign-up info. Got major plans for spring break? Limit unwelcome interruptions to your break from classes with the Safe Spring Break Kit. Stop by the UH Wellness Table located in the PGH Breezeway to make your own kit with free supplies on Tuesday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Engage with artist Natasha Bowden during the School of Art Talk on Tuesday from 1 to 3 p.m. in the Fine Arts Building, room 110. Natasha's work pushes the boundaries between drawing, painting, sculpture, and installation. Natasha channels the experience of reading into the activity of drawing while reimagining our relationship to the natural world. To learn more, contact the UH School of Art at 713-743-3001. Head outdoors and enjoy the UH Farmers Market from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Wednesday. Students, faculty, and staff will have the opportunity to buy one-of-a-kind items from local small business owners selling handmade artisan wares including clothing, accessories, beauty products, home decor, food, and more. Cougar Cash will be accepted. Feeling lucky? The Texas Hold'em Poker Tournament kicks off at 6 p.m. in the Student Center Games Room. This event is open to the public and is free of charge. Do you want to learn abroad, but you're not sure exactly where to start? Stop by Learning Abroad 101 New Group Advising Sessions. During Learning Abroad 101, you will learn about program types, program terms and locations, how to search for programs, scholarships and funding, applying for a program, and Learning Abroad registration process. For more info, call 713-743-9167. If you are interested in learning tips and tricks to building healthy relationships, join J.R. Rubinsky's Dating 101 session at 6 p.m. To join, use the link in the description. On Fridays, we wear red. Share a photo of you wearing red on social media this Friday using #UHLiving and score a free Cougs on the Street t-shirt. Now it's time for this week's health tip. This week focuses on developing a party strategy. Social gatherings, sporting events, dance parties, and other forms of nightlife make up the liberations that come with being a college student. Going out on the weekends can be both fun and entertaining, but there's often a turning point when it can be unhealthy. Calling it a night at 11 p.m. instead of 1 a.m., drinking water throughout the night to stay hydrated, being smart about who you socialize with, or using your intuition to avoid situations that feel unfit or unsafe are all important when maintaining a healthy social life. Now it's time for some reminders. Calling all spring and summer graduates. Don't miss a great opportunity for a free grad photo shoot. Compliments of student housing and residential life. Photo shoots are open to all UH residents and are granted a first-come, first-served basis. To secure your spot, complete the online registration form in the description by Friday, March 10th. The March issue of Cougs House News is available. Get access to announcements, updates, campus highlights, and more. Use the link in the description to check it out. That's all for this week, Cougs. I'll be back next week to keep you in the loop. Bye!